I mean, look at this gorgeous eyeshadow. I kind of am obsessed how it turned out. I completely went in with the flow, and I also wanted to match my nails. I did it yesterday. Now let's just create this gorgeous look together. I'm going to be using Be Perfect Carnival, the Anti-Toad palette. This is a collab palette with Stussy Murray. First thing first, for that popping eyeshadow look, eyeshadow primer, eyeshadow base is the most important thing. So for that, I'm going to be using this lighter shades eyeshadow base from Jared Cosmetics in shade Fear. Applying this olive greenish shade called Dusty all over the lid. See that? Now I'm taking in this dark green shade called Antidote, and I'm simply making a wing, and I'm kind of bringing it inward like that. Now from the inner corner, I'm following up my crease line and I'm joining it. This is the shape that I want. Now I'm blending the harsh edges out with a blending brush. Using the same color, I'm working on my outer corner. Now I'm taking in this first shade that I used all over my lid and kind of blending it on my crease line. Now I'm going to cut my crease using this loose base in shade Rumor 02. I'm simply going to follow the shape that I just did, and this is the shape that I want. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply the shade called Moss right here on my lid, all over basically. Now this is how it's looking after everything. Now for my lower lash line, I'm going to go ahead with this pink gel liner from Colourpop Cosmetics in shade Loverboy. So this is a dark pink. This is a dark, also kind of neon-y pink, and this is how it looks. Now I'm going to slowly blend it out with a brush. And now I'm going to apply this same green shade as my liner, like that. Now for the mascara, I'm going to be applying my favorite Fenty Beauty Hella Thick Mascara. Just went ahead and added the lashes super quick. Now moving on for the lips, I'm going to be using Colourpop Cream Gel Liner in shade BFF3. As always, like, I don't even have to mention it anymore because this is the only lip line I kept using it. And now for the lipstick, I'm going to be using this lip cushion from Jaclyn Cosmetics in shade Sincerely Yours. That's it for the makeup, you guys. Now I'm going to go get ready and then be back.